Hi everyone, I am Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to check Safari history on your iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. Tap on address bar at the top of the screen. Then search anything, such as example here I am searching Safari. Press this icon, press history icon. Now you can see your all history available here. Such as example, this morning I am last searching Safari, then Thursday evening, even though it's remain last 1 month history in my Safari browser. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question, drop them in the comment section. See you next time.